Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to toggle on developer mode on Discord. So for you to be able to toggle on the developer mode on Discord, if you are a developer and you want to develop app on Discord using the Discord API, here's how you can get it done. Click on your user settings, which is the gear button at the down part of the screen. You can see right here, see my mouse, then you click on the gear button, then it takes you down to the settings. This is your account right here, then you scroll down the picture, then you click on advanced mode, and right here you come here and toggle this on. Now developer mode expose context menu items approved for people writing apps using the API using this called API here, which is good. So once you join then you can do the app test. So right here also you have to toggle this on as well for application test mode. So enter the Discord application ID to enable test mode for application. So you're just gonna tell this one, actually depends on you. You should have the application ID for the app you want to test, the URL, original title, embedded app only, and the port number. So once you have all this information, just activate it, then you can run test on the app, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow. Thank you.